สบายดีข้าพเจ้าสื่อใจมาจากเมืองนำมอแขวงอุดมไซซึ่งมื้อนี้ข้าพเจ้าจะพาพวกเขาไปเบิ่งเกี่ยวกับการสัมภาษณ์นักเรียนนักศึกษาที่ไปฝึกเว้าภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ที่ศูนย์อายุน้อยเมืองหลวงพระบางแขวงหลวงพระบางซึ่งเป็นแนวใดพวกเราไปติดตามกันเบิ่งได้และสิ่งที่สำคัญก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์เพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้ข้าพเจ้าด้วย
Okay. So how long have you been coming here?
This is my
Wow.
I come here for my education. So right now I already graduated, but I still study Chinese. It's really money and I go to school in the evening. Before that they can do business and business. So this is very important for Chinese people who come to business and investment in our country. They really want some people that they can speak English and Chinese. Some of them they just speak any of them.
So because you said it's good that Laos is developing.
Yeah.
So it's difficult to find the right balance, right? Okay. So what would you like to do later?
You mean like after I finish all my school? After I finish my school, so I want to learn
Chinese.
No, not the Chinese. At the first, I will work for it, and then if I get the money, I will sit and do my own business.
Yes, about some industry and import to our country also, yeah, and suitable for the know how to invest and to develop. Yeah, so this is
The best that I like is the natural, and natural is more natural, and then it goes have more animals, and we have to find any food from the natural and the food and food also. And when I really like it, and when it goes have more natural, more sandy, and make it very nice and big. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And what do you think?
Yeah, from my view, the best thing I understand in Laos is about cultural. Yeah, like this about here. Luang Prabang here and really based about cultural. Yeah, and so about the house and many people. Yeah, really best. And they are very friendship, and the house are quite the same as the past. And many people they are smile for foreigners come to visit, and they are explain about culture of Laos in the past to many people know about culture, and I really like about this thing.
Thank you.
of Laos is good. They're different on many countries in the world. So I think Laos is the one city as the most developed region and the whole city in the world. There are many foreigners from some northern countries come to travel in Laos. Laos is a beautiful country, and they have many things such as the nature and all this waterfall. I think it's the place in Laos that is very interesting to travel.
Chicken?
For me,
Thank you. Thank you.
So in
Yes. And after that you can decide if you want to graduate, and you can decide if you want to study. So, but we all have to go for 10 years, and we learn English. If you want to, you can learn Spanish or French. And we will have after that, after the 10th class, you can either learn to be a carpenter or painter or I don't know.
there are many, right?
Yes, So everything, and you learn that practical trade, and you go to school at the same time. And after 3 years, you're done. Then you have your trade and your profession. Or you go and graduate, and after that you can study.
So how about the and how about the school uniform and do they have the rules like that? No,
No, we don't
freestyle, right?
just like this.
Freestyle.
Everybody, yeah. Which I think is difficult because if you wear uniform, you don't have to think about what do I wear, how do I look. But just everybody wears the same.
Yes, the same from the
Sao cái đó đấy. Nên là nếu sao phải
different from
những theo này được không
university from primary school.
Chỉ thảm như là thảm. Mà hiện lại cho mình.
Where did you go to school? In your village?
It's hard to explain when I was a boy, a little boy. School in my village. After I finished, if I want to continue, so I have to leave village and stay with new family. At that time, still young. I couldn't leave family and in the same year again. So in 2000 we moved to the flat land by the railroads combined with Laos mentioned before until now. Yes, and I continue my third year in primary school. English. Yes. Yeah, and I was 9 years old, I think. No language. So not how people.
I work with farming, so research, farming, so to make it.
Which language did you speak?
Quý anh nói sách giang à? Sách giang này.
I think more people also. Yeah, more people. Same, yeah. You have to learn knowledge in the school. Speak well and my job, I work with the Lao people in the town, the city, and then if you want to
Yes, make jumpers.
jump in the work with the foreigner, you have to learn. You have to listen. That's the most.
So, what language did you study? Or where did you go to school? Did you go to school in your village or where?
Yeah.
เขียนให้ก็ได้มันให้เขียนให้ primary school until